I got 55. I wanted 56, right? Oh no, 55 is my goal, actually. Sorry. No, 55 was my goal, right? I think 55 was my goal. What am I saying? Right? Or am I wrong? Did I say 55? I said 55, yeah. So let's go for 56 then. Shoot. Ah. $58, okay. 58 is pretty good, right? I think, did I get a 59? I've gotten 59 once off stream. I don't think I've done better than 58 on stream. I got 59 one time off stream, but 58 is pretty good, right? I thought it was gonna be 60, yeah, but the problem is I got, what was the right move in this one? Ah, it's rookie 8. If I got rookie 8, I would have gotten 59, but I didn't see it and I just guessed bishop h6, which I think was a good guess. Last one, I had no clue what it was. It's f5. Okay, this is the one that Ray Robson would get, that I can't get. Because if I had 10 seconds, maybe I get it. With 2 seconds, no way.